Learning GSD and Calculating SAM. GSD, Garment Sewing Data. SAM, Standard Allowed Minutes. Understanding GSD, Garment Sewing Data. GSD is a predefined motion time system used in the apparel industry to measure the standard time required for sewing operations. It helps optimize production by analyzing motions and setting accurate time standards. Steps to learn GSD. Understand motion elements. Learn about the basic elements of motion like reach, grasp, position, release, etc. Study predefined time values. GSD assigns standard time values to each motion. Observe and analyze operators. Watch how sewing operators perform tasks and break them into elemental motions. Use GSD software. Many companies use software for GSD-based time studies. Practice with real-time studies. Apply what you learn by conducting time studies on different sewing tasks. Calculating SAM, Standard Allowed Minutes. SAM is the standard time required to complete a specific garment operation, considering the work content and motion study. Formula to calculate SAM is equal to basic time plus allowances. Steps to calculate SAM. Perform a time study. Observe the operation and break it down into elements. Record the time taken for each element, using a stopwatch or GSD code. Calculate basic time. Use the formula. Basic time is equal to observed time into rating factor. Rating factor adjusts the observed time based on the worker's efficiency. Add allowances. Allowances cover factors like fatigue, machine downtime, and personal needs. Common allowances. Fatigue, 5 to 10%. Machine delay, 3 to 5%. Personal needs, 3 to 5%. Example formula. SAM is equal to basic time plus basic time into allowance. Example calculation. Let's assume. Observed time, 20 seconds. Worker rating, 110%. Allowances, 15%. Basic time. Basic time is equal to 20 into 1.1 is equal to 22 seconds. SAM calculation. SAM is equal to 22 plus 22 into 0.15 is equal to 22 plus 3.3 is equal to 25.3 seconds is equal to 0.42 minutes. Thus, the SAM for this operation is 0.42 minutes. GSD software, like GSD Prime by Coats Digital, is used in the apparel industry to set standard times, optimize labor, and improve efficiency. It works by analyzing predefined motion codes and calculating standard allowed minutes, SAM, for garment operations. Getting started with GSD software. Installation and setup. GSD software is typically licensed and requires installation on factory systems. Users need a login ID and role-based access to use the system. Key modules in GSD software. Operation breakdown list of all garment processes, example, stitching, cutting, finishing. Motion codes selection, choose predefined motion codes for each task. Time calculation, SAM, calculates the exact time required per operation. Allowance addition, adjust for fatigue, machine delay, and personal time. Costing and efficiency analysis, compare SAM versus actual performance. Step-by-step guide to using GSD software. Step 1. Define garment operation. Select the garment type, example, t-shirt, jeans, jacket. Break down each operation, example, attach collar, sew sleeve. Step 2. Assign motion codes. Every operation has motion elements, example, pick up, align, sew, dispose. Select GSD motion codes from the database, example P11, A23S45. Step 3. Calculate standard time, SAM. GSD software calculates the time required for each motion. Add allowances, fatigue, delay, machine speed to determine SAM value. Step 4. Analyze and optimize efficiency. Compare SAM versus actual operator time. Identify bottlenecks and suggest improvements. Improve efficiency by rearranging operations or training workers. Sample GSD codes for different garment operations. GSD software uses predefined motion codes to measure work elements. Below are some common garment operations and customized codes. Custom codes can help tailor the GSD system to better fit your specific manufacturing environment and improve efficiency. Pick up and align. P11 pick up single fabric piece. P21 pick up and align two pieces together. P31 pick up and align with guiding marks. Sewing, machine operation. S11 start sewing, short seam. S21 continue sewing, medium seam. S31 continue sewing, long seam. S41 stop and reposition fabric. Handling and disposal. D11 dispose of fabric onto a pile. D21 dispose of fabric onto hanger. Machine handling. M11 press foot pedal to start sewing. M21 release foot pedal to stop machine. Real SAM calculation case study, t-shirt hemming operation. Let's break down SAM calculation for a simple operation, t-shirt hemming, using a flatlock machine. Step 1. Breakdown of motion elements. Step 2. Calculate basic time. Total basic time is equal to 1.2 plus 1.5 plus 2.0 plus 6.5 plus 1.8 is equal to 13.0 seconds. Step 3. Apply allowances. Fatigue allowance, 10%, is equal to 1.3 seconds. Machine delay allowance, 5%, is equal to 0.65 seconds. Personal allowance, 5%, is equal to 0.65 seconds. Step 4. Calculate SAM value. SAM is equal to basic time plus allowances. SAM is equal to 13.0 plus 1.3 plus 0.65 plus 0.65 is equal to 15.6 seconds. So, the standard allowed minute, SAM, for t-shirt hemming is 15.6 seconds, 0.26 minutes. Steps to use GSD software for SAM calculation. Step 1. Define the garment operation. Identify the operation, example, sewing a pocket, attaching sleeves. Break it down into basic motions, example, pick up fabric, align, sew, trim. Step 2. Select motion codes from GSD library. GSD has predefined motion codes for different tasks like grasp, G1, G2, G3, picking up materials. Move, M1, M2, moving hands to position fabric. Align, A1, A2, positioning fabric for sewing. Sew, S1, S2, S3, running the machine. Dispose, D1, D2, placing the finished piece aside. Step 3. Assign standard time for each motion. The software assigns a standard time, TMU, time measurement unit, to each motion. Example. Pick up fabric, G1, is equal to 5 TMU. Align fabric, A2, is equal to 10 TMU. Sew a seam, S3, is equal to 40 TMU. Step 4. Calculate SAM, standard allowed minutes. Formula, SAM is equal to TMU divided by 1667, into 60. 1 TMU is equal to 0.0006 minutes. 1667 TMU is equal to 1 minute. Example calculation. Total TMU for a sewing operation is equal to 400 TMU. SAM is equal to 400 divided by 1667 into 60 is equal to 14.4 minutes. Step 5. Apply allowances. Add allowances for fatigue, machine delay, and personal needs, typically 10 to 15%. Adjust SAM accordingly to get the final production target. Conclusion. GSD codes help break down tasks into motion elements. SAM calculation ensures correct labor costing and efficiency tracking. Optimizing motion elements reduces SAM and increases productivity. Reduces labor costs, avoid overpayment by setting correct SAM. Improves line efficiency, helps balance workload across operators. Accurate costing and pricing prevents loss due to incorrect time estimates. Standardization ensures consistent production across factories.